Welcome to Occupational Noise Exposure. Overview. 22 million workers are exposed to potentially damaging noise at work each year. Last year, U.S. business paid more than $1.5 million in penalties for not protecting workers from noise. While it's impossible to put a number to the human toll of hearing loss, an estimated $242 million is spent annually on workers' compensation for hearing loss disability. Objectives. Today you will learn about occupational noise exposure and the risks associated with it while on the job. You will learn proper steps and procedures for hearing protection and what is required to protect yourself. You will see examples of proper hearing protection that you will use to help prevent occupational noise exposure.
Exposure to one extremely high impulse sound can cause severe damage to the ears, resulting in permanently reduced hearing ability and tinnitus. Noise-induced hearing loss is the most common permanent injury in the world, and may also come as a result of exposure to loud noise over time.
I don't understand. Didn't he see you standing there?
Dad, can you take me to practice? Dad, can you take me to practice after school?
Sure. Do you mind?
John, is it really that bad? Maybe you should see somebody.
I'll be fine in the morning. I'll be fine in the morning.
Right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isabel. Happy birthday to you.
A noise-induced hearing loss is irreparable and will dramatically affect the quality of your life. The World Health Organization defines tinnitus as the third most serious, non-deadly medical condition for humans.
Oh, I usually like him.
I have a special errand.
I'm sorry.
I'm here to serve my love.
Go to bed.
I'm sending you to the hospital.
Okay.
noise-induced hearing loss is 100% preventable. However, once acquired, it is permanent and irreversible. Use of proper hearing protection is critical and will also prevent further deterioration. Make sure that your workers get sufficient training in the proper use of their hearing protection. Take care of your hearing.
What is noise? Noise and vibration are both fluctuations in the pressure of air which affect the human body. Vibrations that are detected by the human ear are classified as sound. The term noise indicates unwanted sound. Noise is measured in units of sound pressure called decibels or dB. Health effects. Exposure to high levels of noise can cause permanent hearing loss. Neither surgery nor a hearing aid can help correct this type of hearing loss. Short-term exposure to loud noise can also cause a temporary change in hearing. An example of this is tinnitus. While short-term exposure may go away within minutes, long-term exposure or repeated exposure to loud noise can lead to permanent effects. What can be done to reduce the hazard from noise? Hearing protection devices, or HPDs, such as earmuffs and plugs, are considered an acceptable but less desirable option to control exposures to noise and are generally used during the time necessary to implement engineering or administrative controls when such controls are not feasible or when workers' hearing tests indicate significant hearing damage. Here are some hearing protection examples: earmuffs, foam insert earplugs, and semi-aural caps. Here are some OSHA standards from the OSHA website. Reminder: always wear your proper PPE. Life is worth listening to. Always wear your hearing protection.